everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to Krazy Binz. Krazy Binz is a bargain bin discount store. It's my first time here. It's Thursday, so today I guess everything is $1. Some plastic eggs. These are great for so many things in 1/6 scale. I already have a big bin full of them, but I don't have many this size. I made some lighting sconces with them, some fruit bowls, and a plant hanger. Can you think of what else I could use them for? Let me know down below. There's lots of books there, but I don't feel like going through them today. Looks like they have a lot of tiny stuff, little thingamajigs. I'm always looking for stuff like that. They're great for adding detail to my 1/6 scale dollhouse makeovers and dioramas. This is cool. I'm thinking it would make a great lighting fixture. I just have to cut it in half. I'm trying to be careful so I don't lose any fingers, but it was really hard cutting through it. The plastic is really thick, not like the ping pong balls. I tried all my cutting tools. I'm trying to use pliers to keep my fingers away from the blades. Then finally I tried my utility knife, and that worked, and I got it cut. Maybe if I painted it white, gold, black, or silver, it might look great over the dining table. Tell me what you think. I didn't take those little thingies, but I wish I did. I think I could use them for lighting sconces, maybe bowls. Oh, I wish I grabbed them. I'm pretty sure I can use these. Maybe I can make a stool, but I think I'm going to make a quick plant stand. Can you think of what else I can make with them? that looks good. This looks interesting. I found 2 of them. Maybe as a headboard. One might be too small and 2 might be too big for the headboard. It's a Ramadan calendar, I think. What do you think I can make with these, or how should I use them? Oh, this wallpaper is so pretty, but the tube is all bent. It's going to be all wrinkled. More plastic eggs, but I really like this version. They have a flat bottom. I think this will be great as a sink. Yep, it works perfectly. I just have to paint it. What color do you think I should paint it? White or black? Or maybe gold? No, gold would not work. I'm thinking white. I like the store. I'll definitely come back again. I like the small thingamajigs. I want to try maybe coming back on a Wednesday to see what else they have. I'm hoping they'll have more wallpaper options. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Bye for now.